From Kebbi to Lagos, where law enforcement agencies have been encouraged to be more resolute in tackling human trafficking and forced migration. This was the position of the Executive Director of Security and Justice-Oriented Non-Governmental Organization, Clean Foundation, Benson Olubo, at the opening of a capacity-building workshop for operatives in Lagos. Kemi Foladeyemo reports.
The two-day program is geared at increasing the capacity of participants on the operational legal frameworks that will aid support to survivors and the need for interagency collaboration in tackling trafficking and forced migration. Some of the existing laws that address these twin evils in Nigeria are the Trafficking in Persons Prohibition Act, the National Policy on Migration, and the Violence Against Persons Prohibition Act of 2015. But according to Clean Foundation, some of these policies and protection services lack gender sensitivity required to prevent these practices and respond to the needs of victims.
Law enforcement officers are not gender sensitive with issues of trafficking and forced migration. So the whole essence is to enlighten them and then make them be able to do better in their work. If everybody is sensitized on what the provisions are, it better helps you do your job. Now, from the angle of law enforcement and also from the community, what to expect and how to be on the vigilance in terms of, so you know what the gimmicks and they are employing these days.
The workshop, partnered by the National Agency for Trafficking in Persons with support from the UN Women, attracted the presence of several agencies tasked with crucial roles such as intelligence gathering and prosecution of traffickers.
Everybody plays their own role, so that especially the role that has to do with prevention of the crime, either at the airport, either at the land borders, either at the seaport. If, as law enforcement agency, we are all able to play our roles, the crime of human trafficking, forced migration will be reduced to the barest minimum.
The government must put structures in place to rehabilitate and give them livelihoods. Because if the reason why they left in the first instance is not met, what you find out is that they will want to be, trafficked the second time. So what you can do is to make sure that we have a system in place that take them from the very beginning. If a child is 6 years, we should be planning for that child until that child is 18 to engage the child both within the family and outside, within this community and the schools that they go.
The organizers say building resilience and promoting sustainable development are essential to strengthening the existing anti-trafficking and forced migration interventions in Nigeria. Kemi Foladeyemo, TVC News, Lagos.